Alright, let's go.
Oh my, he just stalled. That's what you get. That's what you get. He got me at the light.
That's how we're gonna start it?
Yep. We heard that. We all heard it. That's why I won't want to exhaust. Chill, Billy. Where are we going?
Straight. Yo!
He's back.
I'm back,
He's
baby!
back.
I know y'all, I know you guys miss me.
He's back.
I know you guys miss me. What's going on, guys?
My MotoVlog hit the most views on our channel.
Yeah,
He's a little hurt.
I was.
He's a little hurt. He's a little hurt.
I was gonna change our YouTube name to Tricia and that's
Yeah. Because apparently he's the irrelevant one right now.
it. But all my fans, you know, everybody was like, yo, where are you at? Where have you been at? We miss you.
Did anyone even ask where you were?
Oh my gosh.
Dang, this truck is dirty.
Dude, my freaking bike is as big as this guy's tires. Yo,
Don't be
holy, that
dramatic.
is dirty. That's nasty.
Don't be dramatic.
Happy Friday, everybody. It's a beautiful day to go riding
I
today.
was about to be so confused. I was like, it's not Friday.
It's a beautiful day to go riding. This is like,
Very beautiful.
it's very
This
beautiful.
dude didn't want to do a mukbang.
Yeah, we can wait for that.
Why?
So you guys can't tell, you know, I've been going to the gym, you know what I'm saying? I've been going to the gym. You see? Are you in my frame? Anyways, yeah, I've been going to the gym, you know, I'm trying to,
Yeah, if you've been going to the gym, more calorie intake means bigger bills.
Yo,
Come on now.
What are you gonna
Bigger
mukbang?
builds, bigger
What are
builds,
you gonna
bigger builds.
mukbang? What are you gonna mukbang?
I don't know. That's what I said. We could. What if we mukbang everything?
Just a bunch of fast foods or what?
Yeah.
You know how unhealthy that is?
Yeah.
Exactly, that's my point.
What if we just go mukbang at Jet?
I'm trying to get summer ready.
We'll go to Jet.
Hey, you look good, by the way.
Thank you.
What? You got something to say?
No.
That's what I thought.
I was gonna see if I liked your outfit.
I'll catch you at this red light. What's good then? Huh?
What's good then?
What's good? Let me get off.
What's good then?
Let me get off this real quick.
What's
What's up?
good then?
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
You know,
red bikes
sometimes
nowadays.
it's like, it was relaxing motovlogging by myself.
Oh yeah? I bet
Yeah,
it was.
You're the one. I don't have to hear your exhaust. I don't have to worry about where you're at. The bike sounds like it's gonna break.
It's my chain. It's a piece of shit.
Oh yeah, whenever he fixes chain, I need to fix mine too. I need to get a new one. It's a little rusty.
Hey, switch your
But-
sides real quick. Switch your sides.
But yeah, we have some bike maintenance we need to do.
Follow your dreams, son.
Be
Look at him. He's off into the
free.
sunset.
What are we doing? Why are we... Dude, it's 8 o'clock and I think this is the earliest we've ever recorded.
Okay.
Do need to figure out our night vlogs because it's gonna get hot pretty soon. And all you guys are gonna get is night footage. Coming up to your right, scoot over. Look at your f***ing gloves are flapping. You should invest in some new gloves.
I should, huh?
Yeah, you should.
I'm gonna start a GoFundMe for gloves now.
I'm gonna laugh when you eat shit. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna say that.
You winked at me. I know, Billy.
Look at this cat. He didn't let me in.
Bro, you have a motorcycle.
He did that on purpose.
Oh, he squeezed you in? Like tight?
Yeah. He's so early in the fucking morning. Wanna fucking piss me off? Yesterday I was pissed off at work. Yesterday I was pissed off at these people fucking complaining about our damn job.
You wanna go get a snack?
No.
No? Alright.
What snack? It's 8 o'clock. Where are we gonna go?
Oh yeah, that's just freaking early, dog.
Donuts.
You wanna go get a donut?
Where?
Dunkin' Donuts?
Sure.
We're
How do we
going
get there?
on a trip in our favorite rocket ships to get 2 donuts.
I need gas.
Dude, we just filled up gas.
I got 3 bars. It was at 4.
It was that fun.
It was at 4 and I didn't need it.
It was that fun.
Dude, it's actually getting cold.
It was that fun.
Speed reduced the head.
There.
Hey, you want to play rock, paper, scissors without knowing what we play? Only we'll know after we edit the video.
Sure.
Alright, ready?
Ready, set, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
I beat you.
I beat you.
I beat you.
I'm humbled.
I guess we'll
one
only...
more time for the good time.
Alright. That's what I
Ready,
think?
set,
Alright.
go.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors. I beat you. I beat you.
I
last
beat
time.
your ass.
No,
I beat.
No,
Hey,
I felt that
I'm
one.
2 for 2. Let's go. 2 for
Okay,
2.
Last one.
One more? All right.
Ready?
All right.
One. Rock, paper, scissors.
I won.
I beat
nah,
you. No, that's
beat me.
guaranteed.
That one you win.
Guaranteed.
You won.
What was your last one, to be honest?
No, I can't say.
Tell me.
I can't say.
Tell me.
Only the viewers know.
I will know when I edit this video. Your bike sounds like you don't know how to ride.
I don't. And I still ride. I don't know how to ride. I don't even have a license.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's a free world out here. Just get on anything you want. You just take it.
You do have a license before someone takes you to the f***ing police office. Holy shit, Christopher, there's a cop behind me.
Ooh.
He's coming for you.
For me?
Yeah, told you, he's coming straight for you. He said no license, I'm on it.
Look, I'm just enjoying my day. I'm just enjoying my day today. He's like, I can't ruin his spirit. See? Tricked him. Little Timmy wins again. Oh, there's a lot of gravel.
That's not a lot of gravel.
There's a
still
lot
gonna
of
take my
big
turn.
rocks. Me.
Oh my gosh.
Imagine.
She takes my money when I'm in need. What is this guy?
It's freaking hot.
What is this guy? What are those? White ass ankles, I can see them from a mile away.
You want to touch handlebars?
Oh no. The heck? Get away from me. Shut the fuck up, you're not even fucking listening to music. Stop bobbing your head.
Get that.
It's so funny because you're doing all that and the person who broke that truck driver's neck was me.
He's probably like, what the hell is this kid doing?
Oh gosh.
Oh, we go.
Look at this
We go
lady.
now.
Didn't even freaking stop. She got places to be. I got
does.
that on recording. We could report her to the police. She ran a
We
red
have
light.
evidence.
She put our lives in danger.
I'm gonna be the cop. Coming after you.
We should bring one of those lights. Scare
Just pull it out of her pocket. Put it on her head.
Yo, oh, thank you for that comment that gave me a name for the little dots on the floor. Calls them cat eyes. But yeah, now I have a name for them. Thank you. See, comments like that, educating me, educating my pea brain, and someone needs to educate this guy.
Who?
Oh, I didn't make it. Hey look, $1 classic donut when you buy a medium coffee. Too bad we don't drink coffee. I almost dropped my bike. And here, if you come close to this black, what do we call it? Black bullet? You will enter into his atmosphere, being sucked into his black hole of what we call his mouth.
Oh.
Fat.
Yeah.
Why does my bike not want to stand up?
What is it? Laying down or what? Look at those beautiful bikes.
Actually, this is not healthy. So I'll
I
skip
want
out.
one. Yeah.
Got his donut.
We got our donuts. What?
You look funny.
That looks funny. You don't see me laughing.
I just want to listen to music. Do you guys want a silent MotoVlog?
That's fun. Just let's. Well, you don't have it. If you had an exhaust, yeah.
We would just put yours. We'll put his for like 2 seconds right now. But to us, it was like 7 minutes.
Oh, we're listening to music? Hey Siri, shuffle my riding playlist. Oh, you guys can hear the music right here, huh? That's not making it in the clip, right?
That's going in the clip. I'm just chilling and I just
I don't know what I thought.
Two stop. What were you doing?
I don't know. I just shift to first. I don't know why.
What the heck? A lot of you guys really liked that smoothie video too. And I think we're gonna start incorporating some vlogs here and there. We're still gonna have our MotoVlogs every Friday, but if we ever have anything we have to do or anything exciting we're gonna do or anything, we could be possibly dropping those randomly throughout the weeks.
Yeah.
So definitely, wow, wowza! So definitely tap on the bell because you don't want to miss any of our videos if you like us enough.
Going down the same exact road.
And ask me if I care.
Do you care?
No. You know, we're getting further into our videos. I think we have 16 videos now. And I think it's time for these viewers to get to know us. My favorite color is blue.
And it's also blue.
I choose dogs over cats.
I also
Don't
choose
come
dogs
for me.
over cats. Let's make it right.
What else?
I'm 23 years old.
Oh, I'm not saying that.
You gotta go 15 miles per hour. Did you know how hard that is on a bike? Let me try. Oops. Hey, you're going fast. Hey, you're going too fast. You're going way too...
My favorite show of all time. I don't even think I could say that. I do really like The Simpsons, but I think my favorite show would have to be Ed, Ed, and Eddie, and I think that's why that's where I get my stupidity from, is Ed, Ed, and Eddie. Oh, look at the dogs, they're so cute. And for some reason, the episode that stuck to me was the Jawbreakers episode.
The Jawbreaker?
Yeah.
Yo, that one stuck to me too. I think
Where
that's
they have
everyone.
giant ones in their mouth.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Ooh, we're going down.
Oh gosh, this is kind of scary.
Yeah, that
But yeah.
Jawbreaker one, I think everybody knows. Or the Halloween one,
What Halloween one?
where that bully kid was on the horse.
What?
He was on, or a tricycle, whatever he was on, but it was like a horse. And he was wearing like a cape or something. I don't know. I know what I'm talking about. I think a pumpkin was on his head. Evil guy.
I don't know.